Savannah. Little baby one. You want to put him back in the water?
Can I keep him?
No.
What?
He's too small. You got.
What?
He's too small. And the same part of the river, about there's a dam up here. Kind of like in this area over here. It's a little low, but a lot of people up here. It's a Sunday. I keep working this little rip-rap property off into this little slack water kind of area. I picked another one off this little pool. Not very big. I'm back in the water. I'm up here with my Tsuyrinoa berries and my dark wolf ultra. I'll maybe kick up the magnet break and get him overrun. That's what that's what I'll do. I'm here struggling because I want to. Just basically casting downstream. I'm gonna go up and click. It feels better. Bring it in on slack line, you'll get a backlash. I've had a couple and pushing it here. And you get a backlash field. It actually went underneath the spool. You get a really bad backlash, we're done. I actually have an extra spool. I know I keep saying that, but I carry it. Like there's some, oh, what is that? No, felt like a bite. I'm gonna keep working this pool. You can see that we got other people fishing. Wow, there's a bunch of ducks, and I'm not sure what kind of birds they got. Oh wow, did he just get one? Damn. Oh wow. He's fishing. Yeah, he got one out of the water. He's not full. Yep, he just went down his throat. These other guys over here are fishing too. I keep going here. I'm working this pool. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna get one more fish out of him. This is the afternoon one. Haven't been down here in a while. This area is hard to fish. This area, I don't know if you can see that up there. There's a lot of people that fish this area. This stretch of the river is probably seeing everything come through here. But pull two of them out of here. Do one more cast upstream. Bring it back to the car. Hopefully not lose the jig. Shoot up there. Just gonna work this area kind of good before I leave. Right where it drops in. I've had a couple of biters. I switched over. I got a crappie slider white with the chartreuse tail. I've had a few short strikes on it. Nothing that wanted to commit. Casting downstream. Pretty wide, pretty big. Birds flying around. Perching himself up in that tree. Take the jacket off. It's a wrap for today.